Hello kids, let's do the poem Bird Talk. This is a poem about the two birds, Robin and Jay. Kids, can you imagine two birds can talk also? That's really funny. Let's read the poem. Bird Talk. Think, said Robin. Think, said the Jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So kids, we have learned few new words from this poem. Beetles, sitting, wires and funny. To understand it more, let's do its question and answers. Question number 1. Name the two birds in the poem. And the answer is, the two birds are Robin and Jay. Next question. What are the three things that people can't do? So the answer is, according to the birds, the three things that people can't do are: they cannot eat beetles, they cannot grow their wings, and they cannot sit on wires. Next question. What do birds think of people? And the answer is, birds think people are funny. Next question. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. So kids, this is an activity question and I want that you use your imagination for this answer. Kids, let's take the another question. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. So kids, now we know what are the rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which sounds similar with another words. For example, grow, know and throw. There are few other words given here and we have to write the rhyming words. So first is day. And one is already given for the day is bay. Okay. So another we take say. S-A-Y, say. They all sound similar. Day, bay and say. Next is think. So the rhyming word for the think is blink. B-L-I-N-K. Blink. And link. L-I-N-K. There will be some other words also you can match if you know. These are few examples I am giving you here. Next is funny. So rhyming words for the funny are sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, and honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Next is eat. So rhyming words for the eat are beat, B-E-E-T, beat. And next is feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Next is sing. Rhyming words for the sing are wing, W-I-N-G, wing, and string, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. Clear kids? So these are the examples. If you know other, you can write on your own also. So kids, here we complete this chapter with its question and answers. Hope you understand it well. I will meet you in my next video with a new chapter. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.